Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, AI, does more than recommend your next Netflix binge or assist you in navigating traffic. Picture an AI system that predicts the next global conflict with the precision of a chess grandmaster and the speed of a caffeinated squirrel. Instead of being confined to consumer technology, this AI is at the cutting edge of military strategy, forecasting geopolitical instability, simulating world leaders' reactions, and even predicting military actions before they unfold. Welcome to the world of predictive warfare, a new and exciting frontier where AI isn't just a tool, but a potential oracle guiding military decisions. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating and sometimes unsettling world of AI in military forecasting. We'll explore how AI is being used to predict and prevent conflict, simulate future scenarios, and enhance decision-making in real-time combat. Along the way, we'll explore how AI is changing the battlefield and the ethical considerations that come with these new capabilities. The rise of AI in military strategy. The integration of AI in military strategies is no longer science fiction. It's a rapidly evolving reality. One of the most intriguing developments is the creation of AI systems designed to forecast potential conflicts. AI has the ability to simulate different geopolitical scenarios and predict the likelihood of escalation into war based on a multitude of factors, including political, social, and economic variables. For instance, at the AI Plus Expo in Washington, D.C., former Harvard professor Arvid Bell introduced a fascinating AI-driven software called Northstar. Northstar is designed not to wage war, but to prevent it. By creating digital twins of world leaders, simulations of their personalities and decision-making processes, the AI can run thousands of simulations to predict how these leaders might respond to various geopolitical scenarios. This helps policymakers understand the most likely outcomes and choose peaceful strategies over military conflict. It's an ambitious and optimistic goal that seeks to leverage AI's predictive capabilities for the greater good. While Bell's software represents a peace-focused approach to AI in warfare, the US military is taking a more practical approach with its exploration of AI-driven predictive tools. The US Army, for example, is interested in using AI to predict enemy actions, sometimes even minutes before they occur. The goal is to improve operational readiness and decision-making by enabling commanders to act faster than their adversaries. AI tools can process vast amounts of data from satellites, drones, and intelligence agencies to predict the actions of enemy forces in real time. In this context, AI isn't just a passive tool for forecasting, but an active player that can influence outcomes on the battlefield. In addition to the US Army, NATO has also been at the forefront of AI development for military applications. The alliance has been working on advanced AI technologies that can predict future conflicts, help strategists anticipate enemy moves, and provide real-time intelligence analysis. One such example is Estonia's Census Q, which uses machine learning algorithms to process vast amounts of data from multiple sources. The software's goal is to provide situational awareness and a deeper understanding of the battlefield by predicting potential maneuvers and threats up to 6 months in advance. These predictions give NATO member states a crucial edge in preparing for future conflicts. Real-world applications and case studies. While much of the discussion about AI and military strategy has been theoretical, we are now seeing real-world applications of these technologies. In 2025, Ukraine launched an operation called Spider's Web, which demonstrated the potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, in warfare. Ukraine used 117 first-person view FPV drones that were guided in part by machine learning algorithms to carry out precision strikes against Russian military targets. The drones were able to strike deep within Russia, including hitting strategic bombers capable of carrying nuclear weapons. What made this operation unique was its logistics. The drone's components were smuggled into Russia in pieces, covertly assembled, transported in disguised lorries, and launched remotely, all with the help of AI-guided systems. This operation was a significant demonstration of how close militaries are to integrating AGI into real combat scenarios. It also raised serious questions about the future of warfare. Drones, once thought to be tools of surveillance, are now being used for precision strikes. And AI isn't just aiding with logistics, it's actively guiding the combatants, making real-time decisions about target selection, strike timing, and mission coordination. Israel's military has also embraced AI in a similar manner. One of the most notable examples is Israel's AI system called Habsora, or the Gospel. This system helps the Israeli the Air Force make quick decisions about which targets to engage. The AI is capable of processing vast amounts of intelligence data far faster than human analysts can, and producing up to 100 bombing targets a day. In contrast, human analysts typically identify no more than 50 targets a year. The increased speed and efficiency are game-changing, allowing Israel to respond faster than ever before in high-pressure combat situations. However, this capability raises ethical questions about the role of AI in lethal decision-making, especially regarding target selection in conflict zones. Ethical and strategic considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into military strategies, it raises several ethical and strategic considerations. One of the most significant concerns is the AI arms race. As AI technologies advance, countries like Russia and China are investing heavily in autonomous weapon systems, including drones and missiles capable of making independent decisions about targeting and engagement. The idea of a machine determining when and whom to kill is a disturbing thought, especially when it's happening without human oversight. The AI arms race is further complicated by the possibility of AI being used in unconventional ways. For example, the United Nations has warned that terrorists could hijack AI-driven vehicles, such as self-driving cars, to conduct mass casualty attacks. These attacks would be executed remotely, with AI systems making decisions about where to strike and when. The risk of AI falling into the wrong hands, whether through rogue state actors, terrorists, or cyber criminals, is one of the most pressing challenges in the current global security landscape. Another concern is the potential for AI to be misused or malfunction. While AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data, it is not infallible. If AI systems are not properly calibrated or designed with safeguards, they could lead to unintended consequences. For instance, a malfunction in an AI-controlled drone could result in the wrong target being hit, or the AI could make a decision based on faulty data, leading to disastrous outcomes. In the face of these challenges, there have been calls for international regulations to manage the use of AI in warfare. Some advocates argue that we need to establish clear ethical guidelines that prevent the use of AI for lethal autonomous operations without human oversight. Others suggest that AI could be a force for good in conflict prevention, as long as it is developed and deployed with care. The future of AI in warfare. Looking to the future, it's clear that AI will play an even larger role in military decision-making. By 2040, military decision-making is expected to be heavily reliant on AI-driven platforms that can process real-time data from space-based assets, satellites, and drones. This would allow for quicker and more informed decisions, helping commanders make choices faster than ever before. AI could also be used to predict potential threats from space and quickly assess the risks posed by an enemy's movements. The future battlefield will likely be one where AI is not just a tool for prediction and strategy, but an active participant in combat operations. Autonomous systems, such as unmanned aerial vehicles and autonomous vehicles, will become increasingly common. AI could be used to control these systems, making real-time decisions about when to strike and how to engage with enemy forces. The idea of cognitive warfare, where AI is used to outthink and outmaneuver adversaries, could become a reality. AI is also making strides in logistics. Military operations require massive amounts of resources, and AI is being used to optimize supply chains, anticipate potential disruptions, and ensure that critical resources reach the front lines. Predictive analytics and AI-driven logistics systems are already being tested in military environments to streamline operations and reduce inefficiencies. And there you have it, AI in warfare. Both thrilling and terrifying in equal measure. But what do you think? Could AI really predict the next war? Or is it just another science fiction fantasy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed diving into the wild world of predictive warfare, don't forget to give this video a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button.